Hi, I'm Jamie Beck, President and CEO of Filo Mining Corp. Filo is an advanced exploration Lundin Group company focused on our 100% owned Filo del Sol copper, gold, silver project. An exciting story is unfolding at Filo. We are just beginning to see the true scope of the mineralized system and the ultimate potential size of the deposit. Over the past 2 drill seasons, our focus at Filo has been on exploring beneath our existing oxide resource, and the results have exceeded our expectations. Our latest drill program has transformed our understanding of the size and scale of the Filo system. Standout results include some of the best copper-gold exploration holes drilled globally in the past year. We are encouraged by both the length of the intercepts and their grades. This season confirmed the enormous potential for resource expansion that exists at Filo. We now know that there is a very large sulfide deposit underlying the substantial oxide resource. Of course, size is only one part of the story, and our drilling at Filo is intersecting impressive copper, gold, and silver grades. Hole 32, in particular, intersected over 1,009 meters of almost 0.95% copper equivalent. In order to better understand the potential size of the system at Filo, an exploration target was developed and predicts between 1.2 and 1.6 billion tons of sulfide mineralization at a grade between 0.7 and 1% copper equivalent. We are planning to build on the success of our most recent drilling when we get back to site in the fall. All of our surface data is telling us that the center of the system lies between holes 32 and historic hole VRC 93. And we need to know what is in between this approximate 2-kilometer distance to the north. We are excited about getting back to drilling next season with the goal of potentially doubling our recently announced exploration target. Clearly, there is a lot more to discover at Filo, and we may not even be drilling into the best part of the deposit yet. Filo is located between the prolific Maricunga and El Indio gold belts, 2 major mineralized trends that run along the Chile-Argentina border and contain some of the world's largest deposits. I think what sets Filo apart is the optionality that exists at the project. Not only is our exploration story unfolding, but the value is backstopped by a pre-feasibility study on the uppermost oxide portion of the deposit. For many Andean porphyry deposits, there is a large amount of waste rock sitting on top of the ore body. At Filo, our pre-strip is a robust oxide project with significant copper, gold, and silver production. Any one of these metal production profiles on their own is impressive, and at Filo, we have all 3. It is both a base metals and a precious metal mine, with each contributing approximately 50% to the project's value. In addition, our sister company, Jose Maria Resources, is advancing its Jose Maria deposit, which sits only 25 kilometers to the north. As this project moves forward, infrastructure such as roads, power, water, and logistics will be developed and brought to the region. These potential synergies create a huge advantage for Filo that is not currently captured in our economics. We believe the PFS is only the tip of the iceberg. We have 9 independent research analysts covering our stock, all with buy recommendations. We have an outstanding leadership team and board of directors with an international track record of successful resource development. Our connection to the Lundin Group of companies is a huge advantage for Filo. Not only do we benefit from the financial support of one of the resource industry's most successful investors, but we also have access to an incredible support network, recognized leaders in responsible mining, environmental stewardship, and sustainable development of resource projects. Filo works closely with the Lundin Foundation, and we are committed to responsible ESG practices. Planning is already underway for the next drill program, which is scheduled to kick off in November 2020, where we will attempt to pick up from last season's success and define the boundaries of this exceptional mineralized system. Filo trades on the TSX Venture Exchange and the Nasdaq First North Growth Market under the symbol FIL. For more information, please visit our website, filomining.com. It's going to be another exciting year at Filo. Stay tuned.